how to change the keyboard layout to Qwerty, QWITS, Azerty or 3x4 on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then tap on Languages and Types. From here, tap on the language. And then you can select the layout. So you've got Qwerty, QWITS, Azerty, and 3x4. From the list, select one of the available options. And that is how you can change the keyboard layout on your Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.